Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government jobs, PhD work from home job, PGT, TGT as well as assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government college, and you may apply from any state all over the India. So here the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies and the academic position, the director vacancies are also there. And you may check down the pay scales for professor 14 and associate professor 13A and for assistant professor level 10. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates. Okay, so please share this video. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, then subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Indira Gandhi National Open University. So from this one here we got the professor associate and assistant professor as well as the director position vacancies. So online applications are invited from the eligible candidates in the prescribed application pro forma for appointment to the teaching post of professor associate and assistant professor on direct recruitment basis in various schools of studies and the academic post of the director in electronic media production center at the IGNOU campus. Okay, so you may check down in this table. Coming to the School of Humanities, the subjects are English, Urdu and Hindi and Urdu in the professor and associate professor category. And coming to the School of Social Sciences, Anthropology, Library Science, Psychology and History, Public Administration. And coming to the School of Sciences, Biochemistry, Chemistry, Science, Physics, Statistics, Biochemistry here and the Geology here. And in the School of Education, so under the Associate Professor 1 vacancy is there. And coming to the School of Continuing Education, Home Science, Nutritional Science, Rural Development, Child Development, Disability, Home Science, Nutrition Science and the Child Development. So here the what we call designation wise subjects as well as the vacancies are given here as per the caste category also. And coming to the School of Management Studies, Management 1, and the Health Sciences, Health Science, Nursing. Okay, and coming to School of Computer and Information Science, so Computer and Information Science, professor category 1 vacancy. And the School of Tourism, Hospitality Services, Sectoral Management, so Tourism and Hospitality Services. And the School of Social Work and Distance Education 1. Okay, so these are the different subjects as well as their vacancies, and as per the caste category also how many number of vacancies are there. So all those things completely mentioned, and the pay scales also mentioned there. And coming to the Director Electronic Media Production Center, academic level 14, deputation basis, preferably age level is 57 years of age. Okay, and so this total is all the different recruitment notification, different subjects vacancies, guys. So if you want to get the eligibility qualifications and all these things, I will show you in the next PDF. It is there what are the eligible criteria for the different subjects. So online portal will open from 30th November 2021 and the last date for the submission of online application form is 5th Jan 2022 or 30 days from the date of the publication of advertisement in the employment news, whichever is later. Okay, the hard copy of printout of application submitted online along with the self-attested copies of necessary certificates or documents should reach the Director Academic Coordination Division, Indira Gandhi National Open University through speed or the register post on or before 15th Jan 2022. Okay, so here the online application last date is 5th Jan 2022 and the receiving of hard copy through registered speed post is the last date is 15th Jan 2022. Okay, so these are the important dates that you should remember, guys. And coming to the essential qualification for the professor as well as the associate professor, definitely the PhD is mandatory. But while coming to the assistant professor category, master's degree with minimum 55% of marks, and anyhow in this 55%, 5% relaxation is provided as per the caste category. That for the clarification regarding that one, you may check down the official website or the PDF, guys. And apart this post graduation qualification, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and that while coming to the discipline of health science in School of Health Sciences, then MBBS with the MD or MS is must and should. Fine. And here the specializations, few disciplines and all these things are given here, and few more conditions are given here, guys. The direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in the university shall be on the basis of merit through all India advertisement and selection by the duly constituted selection committees as per the IGNOU Act and statutes read with UGC regulations 2018. And net qualification shall be minimum eligibility for the appointment of assistant professor and the equivalent positions. Okay, so these are all the points given here, and I will provide the necessary links in the description box of this video, guys. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then here the help desk mail ID is also provided here. So you may put your query to this provide mail ID. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please don't worry, mention your subject or the requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. Okay, so to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. and whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here's a lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want